Are you craving the luxurious fine dining experience but need more time or energy to visit a restaurant? Well, worry no more. Gourmet Meal Delivery Services bring exquisite flavors to you. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner toward personal growth and success. No more worrying about reservations or crowded restaurants. With Gourmet Meal Delivery Services, the restaurant comes to you. Treat yourself to an extraordinary dining experience in the comforts of your home. Today, we're diving into meal kit services and exploring why Blue Apron is the best option. So, grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Before we get into the details, let's take a moment to understand a meal kit service. It's a convenient and innovative way to bring delicious fresh meals to your doorstep. Blue Apron, in particular, has established itself as a leader in this industry. Now let's explore why. Number 1. Blue Apron. Blue Apron is the best overall meal kit service for its commitment to high-quality ingredients. Blue Apron delivers seasonal produce to your kitchen. This attention to detail ensures you receive the best ingredients, resulting in flavorful and nutritious meals. In offering various recipes, Blue Apron got you covered because they understand that variety is the spice of life. Blue Apron can accommodate a vegetarian or meat-free diet or other dietary requirements. You won't get tired of their goods because of their broad menu, which is updated weekly. They also offer options for family-style meals, allowing everyone to share a nice dinner. And if you wonder why Blue Apron is the best overall, because they're aware of how valuable time is. Thanks to their pre-portioned ingredients and simple-to-follow recipes, you may save a lot of time on meal planning and grocery shopping. It also prepares their meals in around 30 minutes, making them ideal for busy people or families. A cost-effective alternative to eating out or doing typical grocery shopping, Blue Apron also has cheap options. Blue Apron delivers pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions to your door every week. You can choose vegetarian, wellness, signature, and family-friendly menus. You can customize your preferences and dietary needs and skip or cancel anytime. It has 4 plans for different household sizes and budgets. The Signature Plan serves 2 or 4 people and costs $9.99 per serving. The Vegetarian Plan is also available for $9.99 per serving for 2 individuals. For just $9.99 per serving, the Wellness Plan can feed 2 individuals, while with $8.99 per serving, the Family-Friendly Plan can provide meals for 4 people. All programs have a $7.99 shipping fee per box, except for the Family-Friendly Plan, plus free shipping. Blue Apron is more than just a meal kit service. It's a way to discover new flavors, learn new skills, and enjoy cooking at home. Blue Apron sources high-quality ingredients from trusted suppliers and farmers, supporting sustainable practices and animal welfare. Blue Apron also offers wine pairings, spice blends, kitchen tools, and more to enhance your culinary experience. With Blue Apron, you can save time, money, and hassle while eating well and having fun. Number 2. Sakara Life. Do you want a superior meal delivery service that serves delectable organic dishes made from plants? If you want to spoil your taste, sensations, and well-being, Sakara Life is the only option to consider. Sakara Life is a complete wellness program that nourishes your body and soul with clean products and holistic techniques, not just a food delivery service. We will take you on a tour of Sakara Life's world, describe why you have to try it, and provide information on its pricing and subscriptions. Be prepared to be astounded by the 3 outstanding plans Sakara Life offers: Signature, Detox, and Bridal. Their most popular choice, the Signature Plan, offers tasty breakfast, lunch, and supper selections 3 or 5 days a week. The Detox Plan offers a 5-day regimen to cleanse and refresh your system. While Sakara Life is not your average budget-friendly option, its value is immeasurable. Prices per serving may vary depending on your chosen plan and delivery frequency, ranging from $24 to $35. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can enhance your Sakara Life experience by adding extra snacks, teas, supplements, or even beauty products for an additional fee. Number 3. Home Bistro. Look no further if you're hunting for the creme de la creme of pre-made meals. Home Bistro is here to tantalize your taste buds with its wide selection of chef-prepared, flash-frozen dishes ready to heat and eat. Prepare to indulge in a world of convenience, quality, and mouth-watering flavors. What's the best part? Like Blue Apron, flexibility is available at Home Bistro. They don't need you to subscribe. You can order as many or as few meals as you want. The price per serving varies from $14.99 to $24.99 based on your chosen feeds and box. What's even great is that you can make enormous savings by purchasing large quantities or using their fantastic coupon codes. Orders above $199 receive free shipping. Yes, Home Bistro puts a high priority on your comfort and happiness. With Home Bistro, every bite is an adventure and every meal is an experience worth savoring. Number 4. Green Chef. Enjoy delicious and organic plant-based meals with Green Chef. Green Chef provides a lot of that matches your particular lifestyle and spending pattern. You may alter your plan by selecting the weekly meal frequency, 2, 3, or 4, and the number of savings of each meal, 2, 4, or 6. And they are reasonable, with prices per dish ranging from $9.99 to $12.99. And if you sign up for a weekly or monthly plan, you'll benefit from beautiful benefits like free delivery and discounts on your purchases. However, Green Chef is more than simply a food delivery service. It involves a complete lifestyle change. You're committing to healthy eating, time-saving convenience, waste reduction, and support for sustainable agricultural methods by selecting Green Chef. Green Chef goes above and beyond by only purchasing the best organic and non-GMO products from reputable vendors. They committed Green Chef to sustainability. So while enjoying every bite, you can feel good about your contribution. Number 5. ModifyHealth. ModifyHealth has you covered when it comes to flexibility and financial needs. They provide 3 different plan alternatives. Every week, 7 breakfasts, 7 lunches, and 7 dinners are included in the full plan. With a lunch and dinner plan, you receive 7 lunches and 7 meals weekly. The dinner plan, which includes 7 dinners each week, is an option if you'd like. You may choose your favorite meals from a weekly menu at ModifyHealth, or you can allow their talented chefs to surprise you with their mouth-watering chef's choice options. Depending on the plan and how many portions they include in each meal, the price per serving ranges from $13.95 to $16.95. You can rely on ModifyHealth to provide meals that are not just organic and nutrient-dense, but also specially crafted to satisfy gluten-free and low FODMAP dietary needs. They give your health and pleasure first priority in this comprehensive solution. Number 6. Epicure. Look no further if you're searching for the best gluten-free meal delivery service. Here's why Epicure is your ultimate go-to. Should you try Epicure? Yes, because it provides the ideal flavor, nutrition, and convenience balance. You can end the hassles of meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking with Epicure. Simply reheat the meals they have skillfully created to enjoy the tastes and health advantages. And to sweeten the offer, you can use the coupon code EPICURE20 to receive $20 off your first order. How amazing is that? Order as many meals as you'd like and only pay for what you receive. Depending on the quantity and nature of the meal, the price per dish is meager, ranging from $10 to $18. There are no additional costs or penalties, and you can easily skip, suspend, or cancel your membership. Number 7. Factor. If you're looking for the finest keto-friendly meal delivery service, Factor is worth a look. Fresh, chef-prepared meals high in healthy fat, and the Factor's subscription service delivers low in carbohydrates. You may attain ketosis, burn fat, and enhance your health using Factor's meals. Most restaurants and supermarkets charge more than Factor's meals, which start at about $11 per dish. You can choose 4, 6, 8, 12, or 18 meals each week based on your requirements and financial constraints. A food delivery service is one of many contributing elements. It's a way of living that enables hassle-free enjoyment of enticing, filling, and practical keto meals. Factor meals are made of the highest quality ingredients. The food served by Factor is devoid of soy, GMOs, hormones, antibiotics, and preservatives. Factor provides support to help you achieve your keto goals with nutrition counseling, health tools, and a supportive community. In summary, Blue Apron is the best overall meal delivery service for several reasons. Their quality ingredients, recipes, convenience, focus on cooking skills, and sustainability make them the top choice. If you're ready to elevate your culinary experience, try Blue Apron and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this mouth-watering journey through the world of gourmet meal delivery services. We hope you're inspired to indulge in the finest flavors from the comfort of your home. So, what do you think? Which of these gourmet meal delivery services do you prefer? Tell us in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and luxury adventures. Remember, life's too short to settle for ordinary meals. Treat yourself to extraordinary dining experiences with gourmet meal delivery services. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.